In this video, we'll be reviewing how to use forced barcode scanning. This video is specific to WebCheckout versions 4.4.0 or later. Forced barcode scanning is a checkout center setting that requires operators to scan out barcodes or enter resource IDs for all resources at reservation pickup or checkout return. Please note, this feature can be bypassed with the Override Forced Barcode Scanning operator capability. To enable forced barcode scanning, select Checkout Center from the Admin menu to load the Checkout Center details screen. Select the General tab and scroll down to Forced Barcode Scanning and select to enable. Be sure to select Save. Please note, we recommend shopping cart mode with forced barcode scanning. To pick up a reservation, first search for the allocation by selecting either the pickup truck icon or Find Allocations from the Allocations menu. You can also use the allocation quick search with the exact CK ID. To search for a specific patron, include the patron name, patron ID, or barcode in the patron field, then select Find. Select the CK ID of the reservation for pickup. Select the blue Pickup button. This will load the allocation detail screen and take you to the Contents tab. To begin scanning barcodes, place the focus in the ID barcode of outgoing resources field. Begin scanning barcodes or entering resource IDs separated by a line break, then select Accept Barcodes. If resources have been added by ID, scan the barcode of that resource. If resources have been added by reservation by resource type, RRT, scan the barcode of any item of that resource type. Scanned resources will appear in green, and resources that have not been scanned will still appear in red. To add additional items to the allocation, scan the barcode or resource ID into the ID Barcode to Add field. Once all items have been successfully scanned, select Save Checkout. You may be prompted to enter your PIN here. Items are now picked up in WebCheckout and an actual start time is assigned to the checkout. Now, let's review returning resources with forced barcode scanning. Returns can be completed either through the Rapid Return screen or the Allocation Detail screen. In this video, we'll review returning from the Contents tab of the Allocation Detail screen. To return from the Contents tab, first find the checkout. Select either the Return icon or Find Checkouts from the Allocation menu. This will load the Find screen. You can search for a specific patron by entering the patron name, patron ID, or barcode in the patron field, then select Find. Select the CK ID to load the Allocation Detail screen, then select the Contents tab. To return items, scan barcodes or enter resource IDs separated by a line break into the ID barcode of incoming resources. Then, select Return Barcodes. You may be prompted to enter your PIN here. Resources that have been returned will now appear under Returned Resources. Resources that have not been returned will be listed under Active Resources. All resource barcodes must be scanned or resource IDs entered in order to complete the return. Once all items are returned, the actual end time will be reflected here, and Return Checkout CK will now appear in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more tutorials, please email implementation@webcheckout.net and let us know which tutorials you would like to see.